The first loader which I will be going to talk is TextLoader. So TextLoader can read the plain text files or TXT files and turn them into LangChain document objects. So it is useful when you want to load the things like chat logs, scrapped text from websites, transcripts. So you may have YouTube transcripts which you can load, code snippets, or any kind of plain text. So this text loader is one of the most commonly used document loaders. So here what will happen, suppose you have any txt file, so it will just load it into the memory and you will get the document object in list. So you will be going to have a list and inside it you will get a document object. Last time I told you, you get a list of document objects like document object 1, document object 2 and so on. But this text loader can only give you one document object. It will not generate multiple document objects. So you will get a list and in the list there will be only one document object inside it. That's it. So how long the text data is, it will return you a single document object. Yes, when I will explain you other document loaders, for example, when I will explain you PyPDF loader, in that case you see every page will give you one document object. Okay, so suppose if you have 10 pages in your PDF file, so it will create 10 document objects like document object 1, document object 2 and so on till 10 document objects per page. One document object will be created. But in case of text loader, it will only create a single document object and that document object will be in the form of list. So if you want to access the document object, so you see you will only write list in bracket 0. So it will be going to refer this particular document object. But yes, here if you want to refer, suppose document 2, so you will write list. Suppose this is list, then you can write list 1 and this is list 0. Okay, and document 10 will be list 9. It will be like this. So hope you understand it, how to access a particular document object. So this thing I will be going to show you practically how to implement this text loader, and in the next video I will also show you PyPDF loader and how to access the individual document. So you see, if I go to D drive LangChain AI where I am building all my programs, here you see I have already put document.txt file. So if I double click on document.txt file, it has some text on AI and psychology. I think it has 50 points of AI and psychology. So this is my text file which I have, and this file I will be going to load it into the memory using the Python program of LangChain. So here if you see I have already created textloader.py. Document loaders are present in LangChain_community. So if I write here from LangChain_community, I am not getting this. So what I have to do, first I have to install this here. So I will write pip install LangChain_community and hit enter. So you see this will be installed and after that I can use my document loaders. So it will take some time to install. I pause the video and once it will be installed I will resume the video. So here if you see it is installed now, and what I will do, I will again press Control space bar to get the IntelliSense. So now I can see this LangChain_community. I just press tab. After that I will put dot and here I will use documents loaders and I will be going to import the text loader. So I will write TextLoader. So I will call this TextLoader class. In that, you see, I need to pass the file path and encoding. These two things I need to pass. So first I will give file path, and the file path is, you see, document.txt. So just simply write document.txt, and after that the encoding option I have to give, and the encoding option is UTF-8. Now what is this UTF-8? If suppose your text file has Chinese data, Japanese data, or maybe some special symbols, let's say smiley, or mathematical symbols like phi, epsilon, delta, theta, beta, gamma. So those kind of symbols are there. In those cases, you have to give this encoding UTF-8, because UTF-8 can handle the Unicode data. Unicode data means, or Unicode text, I can say. So what do you mean by Unicode? Uni means universal. So all the code of the universe means all kind of symbols, Japanese, either Chinese, either Hindi language, or there are many other language, Arabic languages. So it can handle all kind of data. If suppose any kind of text is written which is non-English, it can handle easily. So that is why I have given this option. So in case if my file has any kind of special symbols or any kind of Unicode data other than English data or numbers which you have in a standard keyboard, other than that, if you have any other special data, it should handle it. So now you see, I will be going to create a loader object. In the loader object, there is a load function which will be going to load the data from this particular document file and load it into the memory, and it will be going to return you list of document objects. So I will call it as list of doc objects equal to this. But this time I have told you it will be going to return me only a single document object inside that list, and to access that particular document object, what I have to do, I have to mention list of doc objects 0. So when you give this, then you will be able to access the document object. And inside the document object, you know, there are two things. One is metadata and second thing is page content. So to access the metadata, you have to write list of document object 0 dot metadata. So you can access the metadata, and if you want to access the page content, you have to write list of document object 0, because I am talking about this, dot page content. So all these things I will be going to show you. So what I will do now, I will first print this list of document objects, and let's see whether it is loaded in the memory or not. So I click on execute. So here you see all the 50 points are loaded into the memory. I can easily see, and if I go to the top here, so you see it is a list. You see bracket symbol, it is a list, and the full document is inside it. And in this document, first you are getting a metadata information, and then comma you are getting a page content. But in this there is only a single document, so this is the start of a list, and you see this is the end of the list, and inside it there is only one document object is present, and inside the document object one you have metadata, and rest of all is the page content. So if you want to check the type of this particular object, so I just write type of this particular object. So you see it is giving me list, and suppose you want to access the internal data of this list, you have to write list and in bracket 0. So this document data you can access, and there is only one document in it. So I just run it. This is giving me the page content. If you see, page content equal to this and all these page contents, and you are getting the metadata. So your source is document.txt. This is only the information in the metadata present. Let me just check the type of this particular thing. So if I check the type of this particular thing, so I told you that document loaders will give you list of documents. A document loader will give you document object 1, document object 2, and so on. This is what I have told you. But in this case, I have only one document. So I want to know the type of this particular document. Okay, so that should be definitely a document type. So to show you this, I have written type of this, and if I run it, so here LangChain underscore code documents.base.document. So it's a document type object. So that's fine. Now I have to display the contents separately and metadata separately. So I just write print list of document objects 0 dot metadata, and I will also print separately the page content. So here I will be going to write page underscore content. So let me run both of them together. So metadata will be separate. So these are the page contents you can see, and on the top this is a metadata first I have shown. Just below it I am getting the page content. After that, what you can do, these page contents you can pass to LLM by building a chain, and this LLM will produce the result. Let's say you want a summary result of this, or you may want to ask some question about this data. So after that you can show the result. So how to create a chain, that I have already shown you. I am not doing in this. So in the next video I will be going to show you PyPDF loader, where you will be going to have a list of document objects, and for each document object you will be going to have metadata and page content.